Hi guys, today we are going to see Lenovo X390 Yoga laptop USB port damage. You can see USB port is damaged inside. We will find from the donor board and let's replace it. We found good part of USB from the donor board. Let's remove this one, fix it to the board. We successfully removed the damaged USB port. Successfully installed USB port. Let's plug into the board and check. After replace the USB port, let's plug the pen drive. You can see it is detecting. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.